Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the Motorola Razr Plus. It's a powerful dual-screen smartphone with a sleek and fashionable design, all at a lower price compared to its predecessors. Let's dive right in. The Motorola Razr Plus is a refinement of the foldable Razr line, and at $999.99, it's more affordable than previous generations, making it a tough competitor to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. With a larger 3.6-inch outer screen and a stunning 6.9-inch internal display, this phone stands out from the crowd. The Razr Plus boasts a sleek and compact design, measuring 3.48 by 2.91 inches when closed, and 6.73 by 2.91 inches when open. The hinge is well designed, leaving no noticeable gap when folded. Plus, you get to choose from attractive colors like Infinite Black, Glacier Blue, and the striking Viva Magenta. The external display is a highlight of the Razr Plus. It's a 3.6-inch POLED screen with useful functionalities like weather and app shortcuts. You can perform various tasks without even opening the phone. However, the real magic happens with the gorgeous 6.9-inch internal display, perfect for productivity and multimedia. Under the hood, the Razr Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It delivers snappy performance and handles multitasking with ease. The battery life is decent, and you get both fast wired and wireless charging. The phone runs on Android 13 with a promise of 3 major Android upgrades and 4 years of bi-monthly updates. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E, providing excellent connectivity speeds. Moreover, Motorola's Ready for Function lets you connect to external displays for a desktop-like experience. The Razr Plus comes equipped with 3 cameras, including a 12-megapixels main camera and a 13-megapixels ultra-wide camera on the external display. The 6.9-inch internal screen houses a 32-megapixels front-facing camera. The camera performance is impressive, especially in well-lit conditions, and the portrait mode captures stunning shots. All in all, the Motorola Razr Plus is an excellent folding phone with a trendy design and compelling features. Its lower price makes it an attractive option in the market, giving stiff competition to other flagship smartphones. However, if you're looking for absolute cutting-edge technology, you might want to consider other high-end offerings. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews. Let us know in the comments below if you're considering the Motorola Razr Plus or if you're waiting to see what Samsung has in store with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest tech updates and exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique. Happy tech exploring!